What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're gonna wonder what any of these cars we get into are gonna go for, oh, we got that boat back there, man. Please tune in and be sure to tune in tomorrow AM as that video will be out first thing in the morning, man. So without further ado, let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, first up on our list, man, we got a these are actually numbered under the same thing. I believe this one is a 1988 little Sea-Doo. Yeah, this is the 1988 here. I don't know where the motor is or anything like that. Not really a boat guy. But you know, it's a boat and a trailer, so I'm sure you can get it for cheap. We got another little boat. This is a 1978 though. It's a little bit older, but a little bit more put together. Can be turned around really easily. Really easily. We can go drop this off at the dock down there in Long Beach. You know, while the homies and stuff on the jet skis, we can have this out. You know, summer coming up, man, so we got to get our water toys back up. What y'all think about the boat, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 1982 Yamaha. This looked like the one Mel Gibson was riding in Lethal Weapon when he was on a freeway and on a motorcycle when it slid. This looked like the one he was riding, man. This old, dang, this thing is old. Wow, that's crazy. Wow, blast from the past, man. What y'all think about the Yamaha, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 01 Volkswagen Jetta here, 178,000 miles here. Is a manual transmission. Says it has a low clutch of some sort. Not really too sure what a low clutch means, but you're gonna need some hubcaps or something. 178,000 miles on the dash. If we take a look at the inside does look pretty fair. Pretty nice, decent black. Cloth seats, no big deal. Pretty cool interior, exterior. Could use it says downtown mufflers. Actually, that's where we got our mufflers done on our Camaro, man. So I'm pretty sure this thing might sound like a beast or something, man. What y'all think about the Volkswagen Jetta? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 02 Honda Civic here, 111,000 miles, man. We do got some little bit of mismatch here. No big deal. You can probably get that resprayed over. The mileage is really low, so it is really worth it to get it resprayed over. Take it to Mako, get a little $300 paint job because the roof is pretty faded. It does have the sunroof, so that tells me this is the top of the line Honda of this model. So, well, not really, because it doesn't have leather. I don't know if these come with leather or not, but pretty decent inside for it to be like a tan interior. Everything is intact, no radio missing or nothing like that. So that's a plus. 111,000 miles. This will definitely be something worth bidding on here today. I'm sure we might be able to get it cheap, but then again, I don't know. I still think the season is amongst us. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, man, we got a 2007 BMW 328i, 175,000 miles, man. Paint is a little bit faded. Headlights could use some restoration. The mileage is pretty high. It looks like we're missing a door panel on the passenger side on the inside. If we take a look at the inside of the car, we do have some pretty decent, I guess, black leather. Got a little rip right there, no big deal. The back is pretty fair. Over here, you're missing the panel over there, no big deal. You should be able to find that at a junkyard. These things are getting way more common now. So, judging if this thing runs good, take it to Mako, get the panel. Take it to Mako, get the panel, and make sure this thing is running right. You may be able to make a decent profit on it. What you guys think about the BMW, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2010 Chevy Impala here, 154,000 miles. Pretty good looking Impala. If you ask me, the mileage is pretty fair for the year. Nothing that stands out on the outside. If we take a look at the inside, it does have this gray cloth interior, which is, I guess it's all right. Could use a really good detail. Smells like bleach in here. So I don't know if they like clipped somebody in there and was just trying to clean it up, but it does have a really strong odor of bleach in there. But the outside does look pretty good. 154,000 miles, guys. What do you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 05 Audi A4, 94,000 miles. sunroof, AC. Pretty nice little Audi, if you ask me. We can probably pop the hood on this bad boy. Pop the hood on this bad boy. Does have the 1.8 liter turbo motor in this joint. Everything under the hood pretty much looks intact, so that's a plus there. 94,000 miles. Got some pretty decent tires, however they are cracking just a little bit. Like I said, you do have the sunroof on this joint. If we take a look at the inside, the interior is really nice. Black leather, all put together. Really good looking car. I don't see anything that really stands out in this bad boy. Really good looking whip though. I don't know if I would want this model, but pretty decent. I mean, you'd be able to get rid of it easily just because, I mean, it doesn't look like nothing wrong with it. But let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Man, we got a 2012 Nissan Altima, 112,000 miles. Reminds me of my Altima that I got from Copart. Bumpers hanging a little bit, no big deal. We can pop the hood on this bad boy really quick. Yeah, under here looks really brand new, really clean. Doesn't look tampered with. Only has 112,000 miles. Pretty fair of a ride. We take a look at the inside, typical Altima interior, black cloth seats, no big deal. Radio and everything in here is intact. This thing will be going for about maybe like 3 grand, like 36, somewhere around there. Maybe even more just because of what time we're in. But it looks pretty good. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. We got an 85 Chevy Monte Carlo, man. SS. You guys know this is definitely my flavor, man. You got the original 305 in there. You guys know we'd have to take that out really fast. LS swap that. Get this thing painted up. It's got some dragster wheels on here. We'd have to switch all this out. Like, this thing would have to be like fully restored. I'm sure we might be able. Ooh, and it's got the floor shifter in there. Wow. Yeah, this is definitely something I'd be interested in. If we take a look at the inside, it does have cloth gray seats, no big deal. I mean, it is all intact, so that's a plus. Is literally, you would only have to worry about like the motor and stuff like that. But even then, the motor on the outside, you'll have a nice SS Monte Carlo. I would definitely paint this that purple plumish color. Looks really good. I wish it was a T-top, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. What y'all think about the Monte Carlo though, man? Let me know in the comments below. This thing is A1. Alrighty guys, we got a Volkswagen Passat here. 2012 Passat with 94,000 miles on it. Really good looking car. I don't see anything that, well, do see a slight tequila kickage there. No big deal though. If we take a look at the inside, typical leather interior. It's usually like black leather interior, but we do have the beige today, which is pretty cool. It actually looks to be in pretty good condition and it smells really good. Nice interface up here. Everything looks to be intact there. Like I said, little dent there, no big deal. 94,000 miles. Really good looking car. What y'all think about the Volkswagen Passat, man? Let me know in the comments below. And we don't really want the van. We don't really want the 97 Toyota Tercel. 157,000 miles on it. I'm actually good on that. Good on the Nissan little Altima or Sentra, whatever it is. Do we want the PT Cruiser? Nah, don't really want that. It's got 106,000 miles though. It's a 05 PT Cruiser, 106,000 miles. You can take a quick look at the inside. These things, one of these sold for like damn near $2,200 at one of the last auctions up here, man. So people are bidding like super high on these things. Definitely wouldn't be my flavor, but if somebody want to buy it, should I be glad to sell it to you? So I don't know, moving on. We got the little Mercury here. Not really interested in that. Little Toyota. Okay, we got an Elantra here. We got a 04 Hyundai Elantra here, 140,000 miles, man. Really good looking Hyundai Elantra. You guys know if we don't find the one on Saturday, we can grab this one. We'll find the one at the other auction, the other silver one. This door handle is broken, unfortunately. So that sucks. But if we take a look at the inside, I mean, pretty decent Inside, not as clean as the other one we seen, but still clean enough. Got a little slight tequila kick in the back there. No big deal. No big deal, man. Trunk. Okay. This is a pretty decent one, man. What y'all think about the Elantra? Let me know in the comments below. We got a 2000 Honda Passport here. 171,000 miles on the dash. You guys know I'm not a all the doors are locked on this thing anyway, so we can't even get in that. So moving along. What is this? An 04 Nissan Murano, 144,000 miles. More on the beat side. Take a look at the inside. Black leather interior. Back looks okay. I mean, the inside of this car actually looks kind of better than the outside. Got some super tiny tires on this joint. These things are pretty worn, to say the least. I feel like it's like a huge wheel gap. I feel like it's a huge wheel gap right there. But I don't know. Maybe they use some car tires or something for this car. And pump the hood on this bad boy real quick. I guess underneath looks all right, I guess. We'll see when it comes through the auction. And you guys already seen the Cobalt with 55,000 miles. It sold here at the auction last week and they didn't come pick it up. Unfortunately, we don't really want the, oh, this is a Honda? A Honda Passport? Wow. And we really don't want the Kia. This is probably like an Accent or Sorento. I don't freaking know. I know we don't want it though. We don't really want the Toyota. Got a Charger here. This thing is freaking whooped. 204,000 miles. You take a look at the inside, it's just whooped. You guys know these Chargers is just terrible. I'm pretty sure it's the 3.5 V6. But again, not my flavor, man. You just pop it just to get a better idea. Baby girl, give me something. No. Okay, it's the 2.7. So yeah, this is the trash motor. You don't want the 2.7. You definitely want the 3.5 liter. Looks like they might have had like an X come and bash out the window at one point. Got the little Pontiac Grand Prix, another Grand Prix. Ford Durango, not really my flavor. Acura MDX, pretty whooped, and that Santa Fe. So alrighty guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're wondering what any of these cars are going to go for, be sure to tune in tomorrow morning as that video will be out first thing in the AM, man. Let me know what was your favorite car on the list today. And what would you bid on, man? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.